For those who sharpen knives at 3 a.m. and scratch out serial numbers for fun. I paint my rifle in a woodland dream. Sharpie marker touch-ups, everything's pristine. Coffee stain the sling, spray camo the light. Every detail matters when you're prepping for the fight. My plate carrier blends with the trees and the dust. Velcro patches organized like doctrine and trust. People call it madness, say it's too extreme, but I see the chaos coming, this ain't no daydream. Tactical autism, call it what you will, but my zero's tight and my ruck's all kill. Obsessed with detail, every ounce, every seed. I built my life like I'm living in a post-war dream. My room looks like a fallout base, wires in the walls, solar rig on the roof, EMP-proofed halls. Linux on my laptop, scripts to scan the feeds, encrypted notes, 3 backups. I know what it needs, can't stack to the ceiling, field manuals in rows, the power goes out. Man, I already know. Got water filters nested like it's second nature. My whole setup hums like an old operator. Call it autistic, call it obsession, but when your plan fails, I'll still have discretion. I don't prep for fun, I don't train for fame, I do it for the tribe, this ain't a damn game. Tactical autism, yeah, I count the screws, got IR tabs on boots and camoed fuses. Razor blade mindset, laugh if you choose, but you'll be borrowing boots when you lose. Sharpen the blade, check the seal, camouflage the gear like it's made to kill. No shine, no weight, every piece in place, the world gets loud, I train in grace. Tactical autism, it's the way I cope, threaded through my soul like para and hope. It ain't about fear, it's control through the storm. While the world laughs, I keep my family warm. Perimeter's tight, systems are green. Another night, another plan, another unseen